How to install a Chase mobile app. To take advantage of Chase banking, you have to install a mobile app. First, take your iPhone and open the App Store. In the App Store, tap Search at the bottom right corner. In the search field, type Chase. Once the App Store finds the app, tap on the app. On the Chase app page, tap on the Download button. It is an icon cloud with arrow pointing down. It takes a few seconds to download the app. Next, tap the blue Open button. The Chase app loads and you have two options: Sign in or Sign up. If you already have an account, tap Sign in. Next, you must enter your username and password. Tap Sign in. Next, app wants you to agree to receive notifications. I usually receive notifications as a summary to avoid distractions. Next, you can set up a Face ID. That is how you can install the Chase app.